Welcome to Roschetzky Photography. Today was a snow day, so I thought, let's do it. Why not? So I get out there to the Terra Factory, and yeah, it's snowing, and that's about the time I said, hey, I guess let's get out the drone. After a few quick flights to test the waters, or snow, everything seemed pretty good, so I decided to fly around. Really wasn't much going on, but thought I'd try to see what I could find accumulating. We don't get snow too often here in Austin, Texas, but looks like our Christmas came a little late this year, but better late than never. I've been flying drones now for years, and I've flown drones in the snow before. Colorado and New Mexico in the mountains. So this was actually not too bad, but the snow was actually fairly large and a little wet. So, but I am ready for a nice, clear, sunny day. Merry Christmas from Giga Texas. A little late, better late than never. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect, before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. After waiting a while, decided to leave. And before leaving, I noticed some movement. Just a few workers putting it in their all for the betterment of everyone. I want to thank them. I want to thank those workers down there for working through rain, sleet, or snow, because I think they actually worked through all of them. Cheers. I also decided to give one last peace out, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see more. Thanks again.